it would not be a dream if you will get a subsidy of rupees 5 crore or a grant of rupees 10 crore. Yes, you are hearing it right. Hello folks, I am CA Shubhi Agarwal and today we are going to discuss about a very attractive policy of UP government, that is UP Food Processing Policy 2023, which is launched in February 2023 for a 5 years of time. Let's have a look about it. If you are in food processing business or you are planning to have food processing industry, then this video is for you. What is food processing? Mangoes, milk and millets, meat, market and machine. Then it will be a food processing. Like for example, you can understand food processing in a very short example. If you process milk to make butter, cheese, curd, etc., then this is food processing. If you are even packaging spices, it is also food processing. If you are converting chips from potatoes, it is also called as food processing. So there could be any type of processing in the food sector. You can even package ready to eat foods, or you can even process some of the food items to fall under this policy. The objective of UP Food Processing Policy 2023 is to attract domestic as well as global investment, to generate employment in UP, to make ease of doing, to export also. So these are the basic objectives to design this policy. Let's have a short look about the demographic region of Uttar Pradesh, because UP is the heart India and it has many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Sharda Nadi. So the land of UP is very much fertile and there are many crops that are specialized crops, and UP is in #1 position in that crops, that is wheat, pulses, rice, sugarcane, milk, pulses and many more. So for the benefit of farmers, UP government has designed this policy. So let's discuss this policy in detail. In this policy, you will get a capital subsidy. What is capital subsidy? So you have to understand what is capital expenditure. If you are setting up an industry, then you have to make infrastructure development as well as you have to purchase plant and machinery for that. So there is 35% of subsidy in this policy, but this 35% have a capping limit, that is the ceiling limit. You cannot attain more than 5 crores of subsidy under this policy. But if you are having expansion, you are having running a existing unit and you are expanding this unit, then you can attain maximum 25% of subsidy. The ceiling limit is 1 crore. There is also land and infrastructure benefits, like you have the permission to purchase more than 12.5 acres of land by food processing industries under this policy. You can also have 100% of stamp duty exemption under this policy. That is a very great point for you. And even you can also claim 50% of CLU charges. That will be the waiver of 50% of land conversion charges under this scheme. The benefits are not only these. There are also many other benefits. You will have 100% of mandi fees waiver under this policy. You will also have solar power subsidy. That means if you are setting up an industry, that is food processing industry in rural areas, you will get 50% of solar power utility subsidy. And if this unit is running by a woman entrepreneur, then this subsidy will go up to 90%. In case of export, if you are a food processing industry and you are exporting your goods to another country, then you will get 25% of freight subsidy under this policy. There is also 10 crores of subsidy under cold chain and value addition project. That means if you are having a deep freezer or frozen products and you are purchasing the machinery, then you will get a subsidy amounting to rupees 10 crores. If you are having mobile or pre-cooling vans, then there is also a subsidy of 50 lakh rupees for 5 years. Apart from these subsidies, there is a grant of rupees 10 crore. Yes, you are hearing it right. There is a grant of rupees 10 crore, but this grant is on agro clusters. What is agro cluster? If you are setting up 5 units of food processing industry, then you will get a grant of rupees 10 crores. The condition is you have to invest rupees 25 crores under these food processing industry. So this is a very big opportunity for you to set up industry in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is just not growing food. It is also packaging, processing, and exporting the food product items to the global nation. So, if you are waiting to start a project related to food processing industry, this is the very much opportunity for you to. This is the very welcome stage of UP government to start food processing industry and invest, and it is the best opportunity for you. If you are planning to start a business related to food products, then this is the best time to enter into UP and invest here. So this was the UP Food Processing Policy 2023, and for such type of videos, please be with us, stay tuned with us, and we will bring such type of subsidy videos for you soon. Thank you so much.